Hi there. Yes, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Again, Kiko Javier. Kiko Javier here. And yes, the topic now is about network marketing. Okay, network marketing, how does it work? Okay, so siguro karamihan sa atin and especially myself, no, I've been involved in this industry, and this is the industry that really paved the way. No, this brought me to where I am right now. So it's really this industry whom I love so much. No, network marketing. How does it work? Okay, so this specific topic is all about what's network marketing all about. So I'm just giving you some tips. So specifically, network marketing is all about whom you know, okay, and the people who knows you, no? Okay, kaya siya network. It's all about the people you know and the people who knows you. Okay, so if you really want to excel and really make it big in this industry, you need to have a lot of people you know and people who knows you. So it's not enough na kilala mo sila, no? Because baka hindi ka nila kalala. Okay. So yun, so if there's something that you should be building on, no, as you start your network marketing career, it should be your friends list. Alright? So dapat madami. Okay? Hindi isa, hindi dalawa, hindi 50, hindi 100, hindi 200. We're talking of the thousands. Okay? So dapat 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 people you know and who knows you. Okay? So dalawa yun, ha. It's different na kilala mo lang sila pero hindi kinila kilala. But they should know you, no? There should be a certain level, okay? Ang tinatawag na intimacy level, no? So hindi lang basta naririnig nila yung pangalan mo o nababasa nila. Talagang they know something about you. So that's why, especially in the online industry and online network marketing industry, so it's going to be easier for us to have those connections kasi it's online. You just, well, like this like this video, no? So thousands of people are going to watch this. So na ano na yun, kumbaga na reach out ka na yung people who knows me. Okay, so yun, kaya nga po I kept on using this YouTube, this video marketing. I kept exposing myself because gusto kong ma-build yung list na yun na people who knows me. Alright, so I might not know them but they know me. Okay, so pagka nag-post po ako ng mga announcements, nag-post ako ng opportunities, nag-post ako ng links, because they know me, so may possibility na they will click on that link and really take a look at it. And habang lumalalim yung level of intimacy, no, yung kung paano kayo magkakilala, mas nagiging madali para sa tao na magdesisyon, no? So para dun sa mga nakatrabaho ko before, okay, so mas malalim na yon. Hindi lang nila ako nabasa, nakita sa YouTube, pero naka-chat probably, or may probably nakausap. So mas palalim ng palalim, and mas malalim kasi yung level of intimacy, mas mataas yung trust. Okay, tandaan niyo yan, trust. Relationships and business is all about trust. Alright, so if they trust you, most probably, if you offer something to them and it makes sense, they will bite into it. Okay, so again, it's all about network marketing is all about network, the people you know and the people who knows you. Okay, so kung meron ka mang pinagkakaabalahan ngayon is building up that list of people I know and people who knows me, and building relationship with them. So it's not enough na alam nila yung pangalan mo. Alright, kaya nga po ako, it's so important for me to create videos like this. Kasi kahit paano you can sense, no? Maniwala, I believe na you can sense through my voice, my actions, how I speak. You can sense me. Naniniwala po ako doon. Kahit hindi tayo magkaharap, hindi tayo physically magkasama, pero nasi-sense mo ako. I'm so sure of that. Alright, and that sense, no? Yung gut feel mo kung sino ba tong nagsasalita na to, hanggang ngayon pinapakinggan ko pa rin, hindi ko naman kilala. So that gut feeling, kumbaga nakaka-penetrate ako sa'yo, no? So nagkakaroon tayo ng connection kahit paano, no? And pagtingin ko pa sa camera, Alright? So I really suggest, if you really want to make it big in this industry, network marketing, and lalo pa na pinapasok mo na tong online network marketing, then build your list and try as much as you can to reach out to them, build friendship, build relationship. Okay? Because it's all about the people you know and the people who knows you. Alright? So I hope nakatulong po. Maraming salamat. Kiko Javier here from Street Wisdom actually. God bless.